In this video, we listed the 5 best camcorders on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Ordro 1580 Camcorder. The Ordro 1580 is a versatile 4K live streaming camcorder designed for both amateur and professional use, featuring a 12x optical zoom and an 8MP 2.8-inch Sony CMOS sensor. It boasts a 3.5-inch IPS touchscreen with adjustable brightness and supports various video resolutions, including 5K at 30 frames per second and 4K at 60 frames per second. The camera allows for a range of photo options with resolutions up to 48MP and includes built-in Wi-Fi for remote control via an app compatible with iOS and Android devices. Additional features include a stereo microphone, various shooting modes like slow motion and time-lapse, and extensive manual settings for ISO, white balance, and exposure. The camcorder supports external SD cards up to 512GB and comes with essential accessories such as a camera bag, remote control, and HDMI cable. With a compact design and a weight of approximately 17G, the Ordro 1580 is suitable for capturing high-quality video and photography in a variety of settings. Number 2. BOBLOV A27 Camcorder. The BOBLOV A27 is a compact and versatile 2K body-worn camera designed for various recording needs, featuring a built-in memory size of 64GB and support for microSD, TF cards. With its advanced CMOS sensor technology, the camera delivers high-definition video at 2K resolution, surpassing traditional 1080p quality for clearer and more detailed recordings. Its unique 180-degree rotatable lens allows for multi-angle shooting, making it ideal for activities such as pet filming, outdoor sports, meetings, and law enforcement applications. The A27 also supports Wi-Fi connectivity, enabling real-time viewing via a smartphone app, and is equipped with built-in white lights for enhanced visibility in low-light conditions. The package includes the camera, a bike mount, a USB cable, and a user manual, along with a 2-year warranty for added peace of mind. Number 3. KOMERY YouTube Camcorder. The KOMERY RX200 YouTube Camcorder is a high-performance device designed for both amateur and professional content creators, featuring a remarkable 64MP image sensor that ensures exceptional image clarity and detail. It supports multiple video resolutions, including 4K at 30fps and 2.7K at 30fps, making it ideal for vlogs, live streams, and special events. The camera includes a 4.0-inch Touch HD screen, an 18x digital zoom, and advanced functionalities such as Wi-Fi connectivity for remote control via smartphone, live streaming capabilities, and recording while charging. It supports various file formats and offers multiple language options, catering to a diverse user base. With features like electronic image stabilization, autofocus, and built-in fill light, the RX200 is built for versatility and durability, making it an excellent choice for creators looking to enhance their video production quality. The package includes essential accessories like a stabilizer handle, a 32GB SD card, and a remote control, ensuring users have everything they need to start capturing high-quality content right away. Number 4. Ordro M5 Camcorder. The Ordro M5 Vlog Action Pocket Camera is a compact yet powerful digital video camcorder, perfect for both amateur and professional use, featuring a high-definition 5K resolution and 3-axis anti-shake stabilization for smooth video capture. With its 2.5-inch Sony CMOS 8MP sensor, the M5 supports various video formats including 5K at 30 frames per second and 1080p at higher frame rates, along with a 48MP photo capability. The camera boasts a 180 degrees rotating lens, a user-friendly 3.5-inch IPS touchscreen, and advanced features such as infrared night vision, face tracking, and remote control functionality. It supports multiple languages and can accommodate an external microSD card of up to 512GB. The device emphasizes ease of visibility and operation with its large display, making it easier to adjust settings and share content. With free shipping available to most countries, along with a clear return policy, the Ordro M5 combines versatility and convenience for content creators. Number 5. Ordro M3 Camcorder. The Ordro M3 is a compact and versatile pocket action camera designed for both amateur and professional users, featuring a high-quality 1.2.5-inch Sony 8mm CMOS sensor that captures stunning 5K video at 30 frames per second and 4K video at 60 frames per second. With a 120 degrees wide-angle view, the M3 is ideal for vlogging, live streaming, and capturing dynamic outdoor moments. Its 3.5-inch IPS touchscreen allows for easy control and real-time viewing, while the camera supports various shooting modes, including horizontal and vertical orientations, slow motion, time-lapse, and night vision. The device is lightweight and portable, measuring approximately 5.3 by 2.2 by 1.5 inches, and offers extensive connectivity options, including Type-C, HDMI, and Wi-Fi for file downloading and live streaming. The M3 supports external microSD cards up to 256 GB and boasts a battery life of up to 5 hours. With a 1-year warranty and a comprehensive packing list that includes a 64 GB microSD card, the Ordro M3 is an excellent choice for capturing high-definition content on the go.